Celebrities, sportsmen, sportswomen, all passing through here, which is your interest before you head in on inside, where the ceremony is about to start in just a bit. Manje ke kuye ngami ngabe ngikhuluma isiZulu noBaba Sithole kodwa ke ngiphethe ukusa nami. So Baba Sithole, otherwise known as Good Enough, uzokhuluma naye isilungu themba ukuthi naye uzongiphendula ngaso. Baba Good Enough, ever since that one insert that you had on SABC1 on SABC Sport, your notoriety seems to have risen.
Your notoriety to your visit.
Thank you very much. It's exactly what I thought as well. What are you here for today?
For the sports. I'm coming here for the sports. This thing for the soccer sports and marathon sports.
And of course, so you're also participating inside. You're going to be actually announcing an award.
This inside is completely is not wrong. Everything is all right.
Everything is all right. You participating, you here at this place. But tell us, how much of an impact has that one incident on TV gotten you?
Nothing.
All right, thank you so much. That is good enough. You'll see him inside as he presents an award amongst the many other celebrities, sportswomen, sportsmen as well. It's going to be an absolutely epic evening. Baba Sithole, ngiyabonga.
Nam ngiyabonga. Thanks for you. Thanks for me.